Tale Tuesday, so I'm gonna start on a new Telltale game. Wolf Among Us, why not? I could play the second season of The Walking Dead, but I didn't think of that until just now. So no, we're gonna play this. I started playing this a long while ago with my brother. But we didn't get very far. So, it's pretty much a blind run. It didn't even get through the first episode, so counting it as a blind run. We're not. Wait. Does it still say that? Does it still say Dragonfly? It was supposed to change. Did the name of the stream not change? That's not good. Damn, don't tell me this. Yeah. No, it changed for me. Yeah, right? There's daylight for once. Isn't it amazing? I like daylight. It's beautiful. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale characters known as Fabletown. The fables who lived there arrived hundreds of years ago after they were exiled from their homelands. Through the use of magic spell called glamour, they protected their secret community from the mundane world. Sheriff Bigby Wolf protects them from each other.
Oh. Record for the day, hottest ever in June.
Okay.
103 now. That humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air.
I'm sorry, I want to make sure it's not like... Tell me if you get any sound issues, because it's coming out of my my TV screen instead of my headset.
So,
Damn it!
Humidity is a lot.
Keep it up! I'm sorry. I'm sorry this is happening.
More humid than
Take it away.
73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
Just tell me if the sound is bad. I'm gonna trust in you, game. Or maybe you can't even hear anything. Oh, we don't love our lungs. We hate our lungs. That's a sad day for us.
Mr. Toad? Shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drug shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss. I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm.
Whoa.
It's as simple as that. You can't send me up to
I didn't want to be mean like that.
You know what I mean? Go see a witch. Get a glamour. Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour? hands are tied. Right. There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again. Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Big B, before he completely tears up the place. I should probably go handle this.
I just
Yes, please.
threw my cigarette in his house. Complete and utter disregard for this poor toad. Gam, you're not telling me if you can hear the game at all. Lucas, can you please tell me if you can hear the game? Hey, Lucas! Woo! Lucas! Throw some at him. I'm gonna throw this. Hi! Can you please tell me if you can hear the game sounds in my stream?
I'm not listening to your stream.
I know, but could you pull it up, please? It's kind of important. It won't let me have OBS, open. Oh, okay. Never mind. Gam can hear the game. I'm sorry to bother you. I love you. Continue on in the hopes of becoming America's Next Top Model. Thank you. I'm sorry I threw my stuff at you.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get that fuck back inside.
Rude!
I can hear the game, by the way.
Thank you. I love you.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me?
Whoa.
Hey, look at me. Let's go.
Okay. Because clearly these things are most important. Not the domestic violence. No domestic violence. Ugh.
God damn you!
Whoa, hey!
You got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid?
Damn.
I'll fucking kill you! You fucker!
Alright, I just...
Whoa, buddy.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, I'm gonna break your fucking face.
Is that a fact?
Yeah, that's a fact.
Oh god, this is gonna be like a...
You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Oh, we're gonna fuck him up. Fuck him up. Right there. Sink. Oh no. Oh, we seem to have fucked up. Please don't cut me. Yeah. There. Bed. Yeah, you throw him on that bed. Get him. Get him. Kick his ass. Smack him. There. Nah, man, we're not gonna throw him into the couch. Phew. Oh, dude. I think I'm winning.
Back off, asshole.
Get him. This is violent. Oh no! Oh. Oh, Q.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting sick, Fritz. I'll fucking put you in the ground.
Hey, if you can't be nice, I'm gonna make you wait outside.
Oh, fucking shit.
sealed.
Bitch.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
Tell
A
me.
little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girlie. Knock it off.
What's your name?
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Don't make this more difficult than it
Hot
has to
sugar
be.
tits.
Sorry, Sheriff. Wouldn't want to add any difficulty to your night.
Why was he hitting you?
That was my second
He
choice.
asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster.
Oh.
Cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch.
Hey, what did I say about that word?
I didn't say anything about that word. Oh, oh. I didn't choose the bitch option.
Shit. Hey, Toad.
My God.
Give me a second.
How's he gonna get his shit now?
By all means, take your time. Make yourself comfortable. Can I get you anything? Hello, perhaps? Sorry about the car. We ended up going out the window. Couldn't be avoided. Can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Oh, bro. Holy shit! Take his fucking face off! I can't! How fast do you want me to go? I cannot possibly press Q any faster! I think I already did it. Our eyes were yellow. She has like giant ass handprints on her arm. Ow.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
I mentioned.
Just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and your teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be
I'll kill you, you fucking bitch.
Let me help you.
He's having a bad day.
That makes two of us. I guess it's a good thing fables are hard to kill.
It is.